Welcome to our dual dashcam showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the ROVE R2-4K and the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K dashcams. Both of these devices promise high-quality video recording, but they cater to different needs and budgets. The ROVE R2-4K offers a single-channel recording at an affordable price, while the TERUNSOUl provides dual-channel recording with advanced features. Let's explore their specifications, performance, and see which one comes out on top. The ROVE R2-4K captures stunning 4K UHD video from the front, ensuring clarity and detail. However, it only records from a single channel. In contrast, the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K excels with its dual 4K recording capabilities, capturing high-resolution footage from both the front and rear, making it ideal for comprehensive coverage. When it comes to pricing, the ROVE R2-4K is a budget-friendly option at just $119, making it accessible for many consumers. On the other hand, the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K comes with a higher price tag of $366, reflecting its advanced features and dual-channel recording. This price difference is significant and should be considered based on your needs. The ROVE R2-4K offers essential features like built-in GPS, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and super night vision, making it a reliable choice for everyday users. In contrast, the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K not only includes these features, but also adds advanced functionalities like a dual-channel recording system, a larger screen, and an included 128GB memory card, enhancing its overall value. In conclusion, both the ROVE R2-4K and the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K dashcams offer unique advantages. The ROVE is perfect for those seeking a reliable, affordable option for front recording, while the TERUNSOUl is ideal for users needing comprehensive coverage with dual-channel recording. Whichever you choose, ensure it fits your specific needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.